What is going on, everybody? How you doing? How you doing? How are you doing? Okay, yeah, I'm a little crazy, sorry. So what we're going to do is we're going to talk about affiliate networks today, okay? And why I'm talking about affiliate networks is because affiliate networks are probably the easiest way for affiliates or new affiliates to be able to find products that they want to push, okay? And why I say this is because it's a huge network of just affiliate products, okay? Different sellers, everything like that have different products that they want to push out and they want you to sell it. And you can make a commission anywhere from like 30% to 100% of commission. And you're probably wondering why 100% commission is because they want you into their network. Sorry guys, I have a 14-month-old and he was pissed off. Yep, pissed off at something. Because he doesn't cry unless he's mad. He's kind of like me. Okay, so basically, affiliate network is, let's think of a big warehouse. You went to a big warehouse that had a whole bunch of products in it that you could sell. Okay, this guy that owns the warehouse is like, look, I have all this stuff right here. It's all yours. You can sell it. You can't have it, but you can sell it. And if you sell it, I'll give you commission off of it. So say you find this really amazing product, okay? It's $100 for the customer. And the guy's like, look, I will pay you $50 of that $100 or $70 of that $100, whatever it is, and as long as you sell it, okay? And he's got multiple of them, just multiple, okay? And so basically, you can sell whatever you want on this big affiliate network, and there's many of them. So imagine having 30 different warehouses. You could go in and there's different types of products, like stuff from the NBA and the NFL and the MLB and in some of these warehouses. And then there's others like homemade stuff, like this person's teaching people how to lose weight, and this person over here is teaching how people to jump higher, and this person over here is teaching people how to, I don't know, build chicken coops. There are products for chicken coop building, I promise. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump in, and I'm gonna show you guys the different affiliate networks, okay? And then each day from here on out, what we're gonna do is we're gonna talk about each one and what they do and what they sell and how to get signed up and all that good stuff, okay? So today we're gonna talk about affiliate networks only, how to find affiliate networks, and I'm gonna show you a couple of different websites to go to. And then, like I said, the next couple of days we'll go to those different websites and kind of dive deeper into them, okay? So guys, with that being said, let's go get them! Let's go ahead and talk about affiliate networks. So affiliate networks, like I said, are basically like a warehouse. They're just a huge warehouse full of affiliate products in your mind, but they're basically an actual website that have all these products that we're talking about. So let's go ahead and show you these websites. I'm not going to actually get into depth on each one because I'm going to do them separately in videos. So I'm going to go through a few, like there's 3 that I mainly use, and I'll go through those when I do the 3 videos. Sorry guys. But basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys like an idea of what affiliate networks are in this video, okay? So the first one we're going to start out with is ClickBank, okay? ClickBank.com is basically one of the largest affiliate networks out there. It has one of the biggest marketplaces out there. So think about one of the biggest warehouses out there. So basically what you want to do is when you get in here, you want to click, you'll sign up for it. You'll come in here and you'll go to marketplace right here. And here's all your categories that you can sell. So you have education, so you have all these subcategories under there. Say you were in the we're always talking about health and fitness, so let's look at all like addiction, beauty, dental health, dietary supplements, diets and weight loss, exercise, fitness, general, meditation, men's health. You know, you see it, strength training, women's health, spiritual health, sleep and dreams. Home and garden, languages. I mean, you just got all these different subcategories. So if you click one of them, it'll go, let's go to health and fitness. Just click that. Okay. I'm logged in. What are you talking about? Okay. So, this is just a general area of the marketplace. So you're going to have them from all kinds of different sub niches inside of here. If you want to do separate sub niches, click that down there and go find it and click that. And it will bring up different sections for me. So what I mean by that is these are subcategories, okay? So if you wanted to do just exercise and fitness and get products for that, you would just click that, okay? And it would take you that. If you wanted diet and weight loss, you would click that, okay? But because we're doing just health and fitness, I'm going to click that, and it's going to give everything, all right? And you'll see all these products right here. They offer anywhere from like $106 a sale to $141 a sale to $115, $68, $39, $109, $41. So you see, like, you can make your money. Like, these are everyday products, and you can search and find these people are looking for these kind of products. Like custom keto. Keto is one of the biggest things right now going on, and and there's your offer that makes you $41 every time you sell it. Well, on average, sorry. Your actual sales are 25 for your initial, and then you got a rebuild total of 51.81. I will go over that in the actual ClickBank video of what that means, so don't worry about that now, but I just wanted to show you the possibilities of what ClickBank is. So, all right, so you see what kind of opportunity ClickBank has for you. So the next one I'm going to go to is called JVZoo. This is JVZoo. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to go to products. We'll go to marketplace. Okay. Same thing here. They're going to have all kinds of different products. These are different kind of products, though. You have a lot of softwares and stuff like that in JVZoo. So you got like Explaindio and VowReach, and then Commission Gorilla and Audience Toolkit. So a lot of these are these are like softwares and stuff that you can sell to people. You'll see stuff like, let me see if I can find it. I really doubt it's in here. It has been a long day. Very, very long day. Okay, it doesn't have it. But they have stuff like video sales letter software and stuff like that called, I don't remember what it's called actually now I think about it. But you have different categories. So say I go in health and fitness here. You go health and fitness, and then you got stuff like, they're called PLRs. They're private label rights. You can sell, or you can, well, actually, you can't sell these. You can purchase them and then sell them. So basically what that means is it's a private label right. This means you can go in there and you can buy the rights off this person. So you could pay $35 for this quality fitness video package, and you would own this package. So then you could take it and sell it as your own, market and put everything out like your own. So you could do this, your healthiest lifestyles of 101 fitness and nutrition and sleep, 300 piece. That could be all yours for $22 one time. Okay, so it's all done for you. Someone built it so they could sell it. Okay, senior fitness, $25. You get all these different ones that you can sell. Okay, now that's JVZoo. You see what kind of products they sell. It's a lot different than what ClickBank was. Okay, so now if we go over to what I also use is one of my favorite is Max Bounty. They're a different kind of offer. They're called a CPA Offers. You see this right here, and what that means is that it means cost per acquisition. Okay. So whatever it costs that person, or whatever it's going to cost for that person to acquire the software or the advertisement or whatever. So let's say, like, all right, see if I can find a good offer here. Like, you get $108 for this male enhancement one. I'm trying to find you one that we can all relate to that's easy. Let's go here. All right. Click here. So basically what this does is, let me click on the actual landing page here. Boom. Okay. This is how you would get paid. So basically it means cost per acquisition. And what that means is you want to get somebody to acquire about this. Okay. You want them to enter their information, and some of them want you to actually pay for a product, but some of them, like this one, you get paid $1.45 every time you get somebody to enter that email and hit continue and walk through the service. Okay, so you win for someone to win an Amazon gift card. So you put that all over the internet. Someone, every time somebody enters the email and puts all their information in for them to get this, you get paid $1.45. So if you get like 100 people a day, guess what? You're making what is 100? I'm drawing a blank here. Like $145. Sorry, I'm so tired. I just can't think. I was thinking $1,400, but that's not $1,400. $145. So every time you get somebody to sign up for this, it's $1.45. I think that's what it was. So, and then I don't know if you get paid off this, so I'm not going to say you do, but there's another offer for them right there. So let's go ahead and get out of that offer. Okay. And so as you see right here, you can get up to 25 actions per day. So you can sell. It's $1.45 per lead. So every time somebody signs up, it's $1.45. The average network, this is earnings per click, is 5 cents. Okay. So you got stuff like that, but you also have stuff like, you know, NordVPN. So you could $20 per lead every time every time somebody signs up for NordVPN's membership, you get paid $20 per lead. If you get somebody signed up for this mail enhancement product, they fill out all the information and buy some, you get $108 per lead. You know, just all these different products. Like this one right here pays $88 per lead for a keto. So that's what Max Bounty is, okay? It's a CPA offer website, so you have all these different offers. So you can go in here and just hit, where in the world is that? See more right here. And it's going to take you to all kinds of different offers, okay? So go through, look at that, check it out. We'll go into this in more depth, but like I said, I just kind of want to get you to get an idea what affiliate networks are, okay? Let's go ahead and close out this. This is the next one, ShareCell. Okay, ShareCell is probably one of the biggest, if not, it's one of the biggest, if not biggest, affiliate networks right now. And the reason is because they sell a lot of popular products, and that's because they sell stuff from like the Major League Baseball, from NBA, from NFL, from NHL, from all the big sports brands, the PGA. They have all kinds of different products, but stuff that you see, that you know on a personal basis. Like a lot of these names are familiar to you. So the reason they get a lot of traffic is because of that. That they're being able to sell that much. So I don't know who the real is, but you know who the NBA store is. You definitely know what Lulu's is. So you probably know who Minted is. I don't know. I'm not a female. I don't know some of this stuff. So, but like Minted, Gillette, the Major League Baseball. We all know who Jillian Michaels is. So a lot of these you can be. I want to be one of these merchants, so you can have your product in here, or you want to promote this merchant on your website. So you can basically take stuff off this website, it's affiliate links, and put them on your website to promote. And what it does is when people go on there to buy makeup from them or Major League Baseball, whatever it is, when they sign up on that website or your website and they actually pay for the product, you get paid. So that's why ShareCell is such a big name. I've tried to apply for them like a year ago, and I didn't have a website up yet, so I didn't get approved. I've been meaning to do it again. I'm just not really big into affiliate networks because I have some actual companies that I do affiliate products for, so I don't need affiliate networks. And if I do, I usually go anywhere JV Zoom, Max Bounty, or ClickBank. But I will say ShareCell is probably one of the best ones out there if you want to jump on them, so go ahead and jump on that if you can. Another one is called OfferVault, okay? OfferVault is like your Google of affiliate networks. And what I mean by that is if you see right here, you can search for a term, and then it comes with all kinds of different, it comes with a bunch of different offers. And like if you see right here, you have a whole bunch of different affiliate networks. So like ClickBank and all that stuff. So Guru Media, Smash Loud, Tor Advertising. You have all these different networks in here. You have their categories, when they're updated, their offer name, how much they're paying out. So if you hit payout right here, it'll tell you like all the different payouts from the biggest to the smallest. Okay, so you have that. It has all these different little things in here. Don't click those. Don't click this. But that's what OfferVault is. It's basically like, I call it the Google of affiliate offers. So the thing is, if you have something like, I want to put push a ketogenic product, and you don't want to just go sign up for one of these networks, you can literally just put it in here, and then when you go in there, you'll sign up for the network that it's under. Okay. Another one there is commissionjunction.com, or cj.com is basically. This is another big one that puts out well-known names like the world's best brands. You see right this. Okay. And then you can go on there and promote their products. I am an affiliate for them, but I don't. Let me see. I might have a login still. I just have never used it. Yeah, no. See, I don't have a no. I used to have a login. I haven't used it in probably over a year, so I don't even know what it is. But Commission Junction, CJ.com is also one of the largest ones out there. It's been around with ClickBank for a long time, so I highly suggest checking into that. And then what I did is I went to an actual website on Google that kind of gives you the best affiliate networks in 2020. So you see right here, ShareCell, ClickBank, the one we were just on, Commission Junction, is CJ affiliate now. Amazon Associates. Amazon has a big affiliate network. You can push any of their products, but the problem with them, this is the problem that I see, is they've cut their rates down. So it used to be like 5% if you did like something like beauty, but they cut it down to 1%. So they're not even kind of worth it unless you're just trying to get started and put something on a website or YouTube or something like that and make little chumps change here and there. I would say jump on it because it's Amazon. If you throw a link out there, people trust it because it's Amazon. You have eBay, you have Flex Offers. Flex Offers is really good. They have a lot of big names like Samsung and I think they push Apple and like stuff like that. So I've never personally went into their stuff, but I have tried to see what they offer. I know Samsung, Nike, Reebok, names like that. Pepper Jams I've never heard of. It must be new. Never heard of it. But you have Rakuten. Rakuten's got stuff like Best Buy and all the big like electronic companies. So check them out also. They're all good. But like I said, if you want to go to smartblogger.com and affiliate networks. This is not my website, I promise. Like you see right here, Kevin J. Duncan. But I looked it up just to check it out. So go check them out. Obviously, they know what they're talking about. But guys, that's what an affiliate network is. I just wanted to kind of give you an idea what it was. But I hope you enjoyed the video. In the next video, we will talk about ClickBank itself. And guys, I hope you have a wonderful night. Remember, keep your eyes towards the sky and keep your head up. All right? Peace.